Good morning, y'all. So it's about 7:30 in the morning, and I'm getting dressed to go bike riding with my mom. So she has this adult-sized tricycle that initially she was afraid to ride. I think I might have some video of that where she was still under the mentality of the two wheels, and she, thought she didn't have her balance in order to ride it. And I just had to keep like saying, just sit on the bike and feel the bike and you will ride it. It ain't no fault. You won't do that. Huh? I ain't promised nothing. Younger. Oh. How can I put my feet on the other one and be back down? Lift your leg up. Leg it up. Oh. Oh, gee. Yeah, look. Okay. Wait, no. Oh, you leaning. You leaning and not turning. You doing this, but you ain't turning the wheel. And she also, I don't know if you know, but she injured her knee a while back. So she went through tons and tons of therapy to get her knee back to working. I mean, it was a point where she was walking with the cane, but now she's not walking with the cane, and she has upgraded back to riding a bike. Now, my mom was very active. She used to go to the gym. Matter of fact, she was in the gym when she injured her knee. So for her to not be active, it was depressing to her. It just wasn't a good thing. So she went through the different therapy sessions, workout trainings and whatnot. And her knee is doing pretty good. She said it hurts constantly still, but she's able to walk, like I said, without a cane. And now she's able to ride a bike. I'm sorry, the news is on in the background. I don't know. But anyway, so she's been increasing her bike trails each time that she ride her bike. And so the last time she told me where she went, I'm like, you're doing too much. I mean, you're taking it too far. But anyway, so she was like, come ride with me. First of all, y'all know I'm lazy. I do have a bike. I haven't rode it in about a year, so I know the tires are probably flat. She said she has a pump, so I couldn't use that as an excuse. So I finally said, okay, I'm gonna come early one morning before the sun come out, and we can go riding. So that's what we're doing today. I'm hungry, but I'm gonna wait till I come back to eat. But I'm gonna try to bring you guys along with us. Here she is. Now, when I initially bought my bike home, I had a tremendous time trying to get it to fit in my car. But I didn't know that the back seats could lay down. So I'm gonna see if I can get it in the car. I can't show you the inside of my car. It's junky right now. That's a workout by itself, putting this damn bike in this car. But I got it in here. Did I close the door? I got it down the garage. Okay. Ooh, child. Hey, girl. Come over here. Come back in your yard. I think I need to go on that side. Come on. Good morning. I think I need some WD-40 or something. All right. So we're here. We're getting ready to go on our ride. I'm coming. Let me catch up. Kind of hard to record and paddle.
So you need to do it at least twice a week then.
Oh, I'm tired. She be doing too much. Y'all already know.
Yeah, come on, let's go, let's go, let's go.
We're taking a break.
Get it out the way, let's do it. She washed out your sweat, and I haven't break a sweat yet.
I'm tired.
You tired?
So I can't record while we doing it. It's harder. So when we're done, I'm gonna go in the car the route that we came.
And then we didn't do all that. We cut off a half a block our block.
Yeah, it's too much for Molly.
No, this ain't it yet. You gotta go all the way back. You gotta hit the next corner down, go back by the park. You don't want to go by the park?
I'm tired. We have to do that on the next go round. So we made it back. I know I'm pretty much dehydrated because I am sweating.
I don't see her address. I thought I told her to put her address in here.
Oh,
The those thing where I want to take Molly to go get her nails done. Unless this is right here. Okay, hello, are you, what is that? Holidays are approaching.
all right, y'all. So I'm gonna get in the car and I'm gonna just drive the little way that we went.
Okay.
And then I'll let her show me the way she normally go.
Yeah, I want Molly to get her nails done.
And she had Molly trotting on the side of her. I told her that's too much for Molly. Molly is old. Molly's 35 years old. She can walk it, but she can't trot that whole time. All right, so I'll be back.
Head is right here.
All right, so we're gonna go on the little trail. See that we rode. Yeah, you walk it, and then you can see how, like with your app, and then it'll tell you how far it is. By the time I got here, I said, I don't know where she's talking about going. I'm already tired. And then maybe I will start it off on that harder pedal too.
Yeah, maybe.
And you said normally you turn to the right. And go to the
railroad track.
railroad track. No, I'm just go this way, show them what we did today. Is he flashing me telling me to go? Yes. All right, so now we came around this way. Here, you can hold it. Just hold it. Keep it side. Yeah. See the dashboard? Yeah, you don't want it on the dashboard. Okay. And then we turned this way. We basically did a complete city block. That's a city block? That's more than one city block. Then you heard the lady singing about how she smoked crack. She said, I smoke crack.
And Lord says it's all right.
I was like,
that's all right. I said, yeah, baby, it's all right.
no.
You think it's all right, then it's all right.
Come on, you already in the street. Oh Lord, all the crackheads out. Oh, that's the same lady. feature.
Yeah. That's the same lady.
And then we came down this way. Oh, that's a long ride on the bicycle, I think.
I don't think so.
What you think that is? About a half a mile?
If it's a half a mile.
You don't think it's even a half a mile?
Not me.
And then past the stop sign is back to her house.
Mm.
I think that was a long way.
I don't think so.
Whew. I made it back to the house. That was it.